In this video, we are going to be looking at how to construct triangles. Now, when constructing triangles, there are basically three scenarios. 1, you are given all three sides. 2, you are given two angles and one side. And 3, you are given two sides and one angle. So now let's look at the first situation where we have all three sides. So here I have my first question, where I want to construct a triangle ABC, where AB is 7 centimeters, AC is 9 centimeters, and BC is 10 centimeters. Now you can see that we are given the lengths of all three sides. So this will be our first scenario here. So first I'm going to start by drawing line segment AB, which will be 7 centimeters. So here I have my ruler out, and the first thing I want to do is draw a light line that will be more than 7 centimeters long. And I can place that line anywhere on the page. Next, I'll take my compass and I'll place the point on the 0 on the ruler and open that compass out to 7 centimeters. Then I'll place the compass point at any point on the light line that I've drawn. And I'll make an arc. Now I'll place the compass point where that arc cuts the line, and I'll make another arc. Now the distance from here to here would be my line segment AB. So now I want to construct the line segment AC, which is 9 centimeters long. So again, I'm going to take my compass point and place it on the 0 on the ruler, and I'm going to open my compass out to 9 centimeters. Then I'm going to take my compass and place the compass point at the point A, and I'm going to make a big arc like this. Next, I will want to construct the line segment BC, which is 10 centimeters long. So once again, I'm going to take my compass, place the compass point at the 0 on the ruler, and I'm going to open my compass out to 10 centimeters because the line segment BC is 10 centimeters long. Then I'm going to take my compass and place the compass point on the point B. Then I'm just going to make another arc to intersect this arc here. Now where these two arcs intersect, that will be my point C. And now I'll just have to take my ruler and connect the points A to C and B to C. And there we would have our triangle A to B to C. Now as you can see, everything was drawn using light lines. And now that I have my final shape, I'll darken it. And there you have your triangle ABC. Now let's move on to the second scenario where we are given two angles and one side. So here I have my second question where we're going to construct triangle ABC, where the line segment AB is 8 centimeters. We have angle CAB is 60 degrees, so that means the angle is located at point A, and angle CBA is 30 degrees. That means the angle is located at point B. So we are drawing a line segment 8 centimeters long, that will be AB. At point A, we are constructing 60 degrees, and at point B, we are constructing a 30-degree angle. So first I'll start by constructing a line segment AB 8 centimeters. So I'm going to take my ruler and draw a light line that's more than 8 centimeters long. So next we're going to open the compass out to 8 centimeters and construct a line segment AB 8 centimeters long. So between these two arcs would be my line segment AB 8 centimeters long. Now when constructing angles, you can open your compass out to any distance that you are comfortable with. Now if you open the compass out too much, it may not work well with the work area that you're working with. And if it's too small, it may be difficult to work with. So choose a distance that you are comfortable with and that works well with the space that you have. So I'm going to place my compass point at A, and I'm going to construct a 60-degree angle. We can clearly see that this angle is 60 degrees. Now at point B, we are going to construct a 60-degree angle and then bisect it so that we'll get 30 degrees. And now you can see that this line here forms an angle of 30 degrees with the line AB. So where these two lines intersect here would be your point C. So now that I have my final shape, triangle ABC, I would darken my final outline. And there you have it, triangle ABC. And now we look at our final scenario when we are given the lengths of two sides and the magnitude of one angle. So here we have our third question where we want to construct triangle ABC, where our line segment AB is 9 centimeters. Our next line segment AC is 12 centimeters long, and our angle ABC is 60 degrees. So that means the angle will be constructed at the point B. So here I have my light line that's more than 9 centimeters long. So I'm going to place my compass point at the 0 on the ruler. I'm going to open it out to 9 centimeters long because I want to construct my line segment AB, and AB is equal to 9 centimeters. Now that I have my line segment AB, you may think, let's construct the line segment AC, because that's the next piece of information in question. But I can't construct the line segment AC because I don't know the angle to put the line segment AC in relation to the line segment AB. So what I'll have to do next is to construct the angle at B, which is equal to 60 degrees. So now that we have constructed our angle ABC, now we can move on to constructing our line segment AC. So first we're going to place the compass point on the 0 on the ruler and open it out to 12 centimeters. And of course that's because our line segment AC is equal to 12 centimeters. Then we are going to take our compass point and place it on point A, and we're going to make an arc to intersect this line. Now where the arc intersects this line will be your point C. So now it's just to take a ruler and connect the points A to C. And now that we have our final shape, triangle ABC, we can darken it. Now before I go, I'd just like to discuss another scenario. Instead of being given the line segment AC, what if we were given the line segment BC instead? So here I changed the AC from 12 centimeters to BC being equal to 11 centimeters. Now point B is down here. That means point C will be somewhere along this line. So what I'll have to do is open my compass out to 11 centimeters, place the compass point at B, and make an arc to cut this line. So when I make this arc to cut the line, this point here where the arc cuts the line would be point C. And now I'll just take a ruler and connect the points A to C. And now that we have our final shape, I would darken my outline. And that's it for this video.